Are you tired of trying every productivity hack you find online and still feeling behind? Here's the truth nobody tells you. The reason those systems don't work is not because they are bad. It's because they weren't made for you. Or maybe you're wondering, how do I make my own productivity system that actually works for me? The best productivity system is the one that you actually create yourself. What if I could show you exactly how to build it in the next 6 minutes? Stay with me. I will teach you how to be productive using a simple system that actually fits your life. I'm Austine, and today you're going to create a system that works for you, not against you. Whether you're a student juggling classes and assignments, or a professional trying to get things done without burning out, this video will change how you think about productivity. By the end of this, you will have your own personal system that you build from scratch. No more copying something that works for someone else. Time to create what works for you. Here is why most productivity tips don't work for you. You watch a video about someone's morning routine. They wake up by 5 a.m., meditate for 30 minutes, journal, work out, and then start their day. Sounds amazing, right? So you try it. Day 1, it goes okay. Day 2, it's harder. By day 3, you're hitting snooze and feeling like a failure. But here's what they didn't tell you. That person doesn't have kids waking them up at night. They don't have a long commute. They don't have your life. The ultimate productivity system is not about copying someone else. It's about understanding yourself first. Most people try to force themselves into the wrong system. That's like trying to wear someone else's shoes. They might look nice, but they won't fit you right. Your productivity systems need to match your energy, your schedule, and your goals, not someone else's. Before you can create a system, you need to understand how you work best. Ask yourself these simple questions. When is your energy highest? Some people are morning people. Others think better at night. Don't fight your natural rhythm. Work with it. How long can you focus? Can you work for 2 hours straight? Or do you need breaks every 25 minutes? Both are fine. Just be honest about it. What drains your energy? Is it emails, meetings, cleaning? Figure out what makes you tired so you can plan around it. What gives you energy? Maybe it's music. Maybe it's a clean workspace. Maybe it's checking things off a list. Use these to fuel your system. This self-knowledge is the foundation of any personal system that actually works. For students, this might mean studying during the peak energy hours instead of forcing late night sessions if you're a morning person. For professionals, this could mean batching similar tasks together instead of jumping between different types of work all day. Now, let's build your system. I'm going to give you a simple framework that you can customize. Step 1, capture everything. Get everything out of your head. Tasks, deadlines, ideas, write them all down in one place. Your brain is not for storing information. It's for processing it. Use whatever works. A notebook, your phone, a simple app. The tool doesn't matter really. Consistency does. Step 2, organize by priority. Not everything is urgent. Not everything is important. Learn the difference. Ask yourself, what happens if I don't do this today? If the answer is nothing major, it can wait. Focus on 3 main things per day. That's it. 3 things done well beats 10 things done poorly. Step 3, time block your day. Don't just make a to-do list. Give each task a time slot. If you're a student, block time for studying, breaks, and fun. Yes, fun gets a time slot too. If you're working, block time for deep work, emails, and meetings. Protect your deep work like it's gold. Step 4. Build in buffer time. Things take longer than you think. Always build extra time into your schedule. If you think something takes 30 minutes, give it 45. You will thank yourself later. Here are the time management skills that will make your system actually work. The 2 minutes rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't write it down. Don't put it off. Just do it. Batch similar tasks. Don't check email all day. Check it twice. Don't make random phone calls. Make all your calls in one block. When you batch tasks, your brain doesn't have to switch gears constantly. This saves mental energy. Learn to say no. This is the hardest skill, but the most important. Every yes to one task is a no to something else. Ask yourself, does this move me closer to my goals? If not, it's probably a no. Then the weekly review. Spend 15 minutes every week looking at what worked and what didn't. Your system should evolve as you learn more about yourself. These time management tips are not just theory, they are practical skills that increase productivity when you use them consistently. Building the system is easy, but sticking to it, that's where the real work is. Here's how to make it last. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one part of your system and focus on that for a week. Maybe start with just capturing all your tasks in one place. Once that feels natural, add time blocking. Then track what works. Pay attention to when you feel productive and when you don't. Your system should make you feel more in control, not more stressed. Adjust it as you go. Your life changes, your system should also. What works in busy season might not work during slow times. That's okay. Be kind to yourself. You will have bad days. Days when you don't follow your system at all. That doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. Remember, this is your system. It should work for your life, your schedule, and your goals. Don't compare your system to anyone else. Listen, you've tried copying other people's systems long enough. It's time to build something that actually fits your life. Your productivity is not broken. You just haven't found the right system yet. And now you know how to create it. If this helped you think differently about productivity, help me like this video. It helps me know this content is useful and helps you too. Share it with others who actually need it. Subscribe if you want more practical tips on getting things done without you overwhelmed. And drop a comment telling me what part of your system you're going to build first. Remember, the best productivity system is the one you actually use. Keep it simple, keep it yours, and keep adjusting it as you grow. If you want a free template to help you build your system, check the description below. And if you're ready to level up your productivity even more, watch this next video where I show you the biggest productivity mistakes people make. You've got this. Now go build a system that works for you.